Hi, first graders. Let's keep growing our math brains. Math hat on? Let's go. We're going to start off with a warm-up. So let's get ready. Today's warm-up is titled, What's the Amount? All right. Look closely. What do you see? See 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and a penny. 36 cents. Kiss your brains if that's what you got. We have 10, 20, 30, plus 5, 35, plus 1, 36 cents. All right, what's the amount? Woohoo! Kiss your brains, 16 cents. 5, 10, 15, plus 1. All right, what's the amount? $0.41. Notice how I used a dollar sign. There's another way that you can show cents. You can use the cent sign, or you can use the dollar sign. All right, what's the amount? Awesome. Whoop, whoop, $0.23. Okay, today we are going to be working with adding, but we're going to be talking about regrouping when you have too many ones in the ones place and what you have to do. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that using a math problem, so in an algorithm. And also, I'm going to show you how to do that drawing a model using your 10, sticks, and ones. But first, let's see what we can learn from BrainPop.
Let's see. You jump roped 7 times. I jump roped 6 times. How many times did we jump rope together? Add the numbers to find the total. What is 7 plus 6? To solve this number sentence, we have to regroup. Sometimes when you add small numbers, the answer is a 1-digit number. But when you add larger numbers, the answer can have 2 digits. You can't fit a 2-digit number in the ones place,
Right.
So you have to regroup. How do you regroup with addition? Let's see. We want to add 7 plus 6. The number 7 has 7 ones.
Make sure you're looking at
The number
picture.
6 has 6 ones. To add 6 and 7, count all the cubes. It's easier if you trade in 10 cubes for 1 tens rod. There's 1 tens rod and 3 ones cubes.
So 7 plus 6 equals what? What's made out of 1 10 and 3 extra ones?
So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. When you regroup, you gather ones into groups of tens. How many jumping jacks did you do, Moby? Wow, you did 26, and I did 9. How many did we do together? The number 26 has 2 tens and 6 ones. The number 9 has 9 ones.
Okay, stop and think about that. What is 26 plus 9? How could you figure that out?
To add 26 and 9, regroup the ones. Trade 10 ones for 1 10 rod. There are 5 ones and 3 tens. So 26 plus 9 is equal to 35.
Good, so we know that 35 is made out of 3 bundles of 10 and 5 extra ones. So now you guys are going to be watching me solve 3 addition problems with regrouping. I have my hundreds chart to help me. We're going to use a model using our 10 sticks and our ones. And I'm going to show you how to solve math problems like that with an algorithm, a math problem. All right, let's get started. Okay, here we go. So over here, have my paper, have my hundreds chart to help me. So right here, 15 plus 9. I'm going to start with a model. Model meaning picture. And here, this is to help you. 10 sticks, ones. So I'm going to model the number 15. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Notice how neat I'm drawing my model, okay? You want to do the same. Plus my 9 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then like we learned in the video, it's easier to count if we group our 10 ones to make a new 10. And so now we have a new 10 stick. You can draw a 10 stick like that, or you can just keep it circled and know that you have a 10. I like to draw a 10 stick, and so that way I know that I regrouped it to a 10. That's just how my brain thinks. And then I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 for my answer. Now let's check it on our hundreds chart. We have 15 plus 9. Last week we learned that if we jump down 1, that's plus 10. Well, 9 is just 1 less than 10. So watch how I do this. Here's 15, boop. Plus 10 would be 25, but I need to do plus 9. I'm going to go back 1. So 1 less is 24. My answer matches. Perfect. Now I'm going to write my number sentence. And you're just taking the same numbers from your math problem and just writing it horizontal. So 15 plus 9 equals 24. Now, let's practice solving the problem using an algorithm. So notice how my math problem is up and down. It's vertical. We can solve it like this. I'm going to take my pencil, take my line and divide it into my 10s and my 1s. So 5 ones plus 9 ones gives me 14 because 5 plus 9 is 14. And if you don't believe me, let's count the ones over here. Here's my 5 ones from 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's my 9 ones from here. So 5 plus 9, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that means there's going to be 4 extra ones and 1 new bundle of 10, my new 10 stick. So now I have 1 10 plus another 10 gives me 2 10s. So 15 plus 9 is 24. All right, let's do 32 plus 28. I'm going to draw my model. I'm going to show 32. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Now we're going to show 28. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So I know 2 plus 8, I know that makes 10. So here is a group of 10. Make sure I don't forget that this is here. So boop, I'm going to make another 10 stick. And so now let's count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, I was gonna say that didn't look right. So 60 is my answer. So if we're not quite sure, let's check out on our hundreds chart here. Let me erase that because I worked on that last time. I'm going to find the number 32 on my hundreds chart. Boop. I'm adding 28. So watch me do this. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Did we get 60? Yep. So 32 plus 28 equals 60. Now let's try it with the algorithm. Draw my line. Boop. Here's my tens. Here's my ones. 2 plus 8, I know it's 10, because that's where I made my new 10 stick. So my 10 is 0 ones and 1 10 stick and 1 bundle of 10. So 1 10 plus 3 tens gives me 4 tens. 4 tens plus 2 tens gives me 6 tens. I got the number 60. Perfect. All right, let's check this one out. 16 plus 36. Here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now let's add 36. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So just like in the video, I want to circle a group of 10. So here's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Here's my new 10 stick. Now remember, you don't have to draw your new 10 stick. You can just look at this and know that that's 10. I like to draw an arrow just to remind myself that, hey, I regrouped here. That's where I got that extra 10 stick. All right, so now let's add it up. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. All right, you know, great mathematicians, we always check our work. So we go back to my hundreds chart here. All right, start at 16. Boop, and I did 36, so I'm gonna jump down 3 times. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 52, 52. So I'm gonna write my number sentence. 16 plus 36 equals 52. So I showed you how to do a model, how to check in on your hundreds chart, how to write a number sentence. Now let's go back and let's try the algorithm. So I'm gonna draw my line to separate my tens and ones. So 6 plus 6, I know my doubles are 12. And the number 12 is made out of 1 bundle of 6 and 2 extra ones. That's what I mean, 1 bundle of 10 and 2 extra ones. So here's my bundle of 10, and here's my 2 extra ones, 1, 2. So here's my 2 extra ones. Boop. Here's my new 10 stick, my new bundle that I regrouped. 1 10 plus 1 10 is 2 10s. 2 10s plus 3 10s gives me 5 10s. I got 52, and it matches. So boys and girls, when you do your assignment today, and I'm going to show you what your assignment looks like. All right. When you are working on your assignment today, I want you to really think about what strategy you are going to use when you're working. Hold on one second.
You did 44 squats.
There we go. What strategy you're going to use when you are solving your addition problems. So here, you guys have 13 plus 9, a model math problem, number sentence, 32 plus 18, 36 plus 7, 26 plus 4, 19 plus 15, and 47 plus 3. Now, you have the option. If the math problem or the algorithm is too hard, or if it's too complicated, then just solve the model. Just use the model, okay? You have that option. And also reach out to your teachers too. So if it's easier for you to just show the model, then just do that. I'm sorry. Just do that. That's totally fine, okay? The goal is to make sure that you get the correct answer and you know how to solve it. All right? All right, boys and girls. So do your best. You are regrouping. You're adding with regrouping. So you're making new bundles of 10. Okay? All right. Bye, boys and girls. Keep working hard.